Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, a video about using the transparency tool to kind of come up with something like this that if you maybe print it on a black t-shirt or a dark t-shirt. Not saying you ever do it, but a couple of tricks here. I'm going to take a rectangle and make a perfect square. I'm going to get the corner right there. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to shift it. And I get that shape. Now, I like working with it straight up and down, so I'm going to rotate that 45 degrees. Now, the bad thing is when we later on, when we want to rotate this, we have to start off at 45 degrees. So if you will take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in and move it out of the way, and then take it and left click, right click, it's at 0 degrees. So let's Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it there. We're going to go ahead and rotate just 22.5 degrees. So we're going to take this sliver that's left and get the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now, I'm not working in the center of the page because I don't have to in this case. We're going to take this and add a little interactive fill tool. And I think I went dark inwardly. And what that's going to do here in a second, you'll see it'll make it kind of disappear, parts of it anyway. Now, Control D and make a duplicate. Move the center rotation of that node and rotate it 22.5 degrees. And then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control all the way around. You could use the transformation docker. Now, that doesn't look like it's all that right now. I'm going to go ahead and put P. But if we take a black rectangle, make it black, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. See how it makes it look just the blue shows up? Now let's go a little further. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. Big deal, right? But take your transparency tool. When you click on it, sometimes that doesn't show up. And then make like half of it transparent or more. And you get that look. Now, I don't know nothing about printing, but I think that'll look pretty good on a sheet of paper if you printed it out. Kind of look, I don't know what you would call that look. But use the transparency tool. Well, I need to back up here. And let's zoom in here. You can make it, quite a bit different, make it quite a bit lighter in some areas, make it stand out in the others. So just kind of pick a happy medium. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.